friends, welcome back to our channel. Myself Mitanshi. If you are preparing for system design interviews and looking for the best resources to master software design and system design, then you have come to the right place. Before we get to the best websites that will teach you everything you need not to know about system design, let me tell you a little bit about what it really is. So system design is basically the process of defining an element of a system, including modules, architectures, components, and much more, which is based on a specific set of requirements. So without wasting any more of your time, let's begin with our topic. But before deep diving into it, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get updates regarding the upcoming videos. So the first on the list is Udemy. This is a wonder website which will teach you everything you need not to know about system designing. Using this fantastic website, you will learn all about the core features of advanced system design so that you will also become advanced system designer. The next one is Educative. Educative is one of my favorite for learning system design on the internet right now. It's basically a website that has been literally created to prepare you for a system design interviews. The next is ByteByteGo by Alex Yu. This is another amazing platform to learn about system designing concepts and also prepare for system design interviews. The next one is your Exponent. This is another great website to learn about system design and prepare for system design interviews, especially for FAANG companies. Their system design interviews course has 36 lectures and it provides the solution of system design questions like design, Twitter, Instagram, and many others. The last on the list is Coursera. So Coursera is another place to learn in-demand tech skill online. The best thing about Coursera is that their course material are designed and delivered by the world-class universities and top tech companies like your Google, AWS, and IBM. That's all about the best places to learn software design and system design in this year. These sites are not just great resources to prepare for system design interviews, but also to improve the design of the software applications that you are designing. So if you have any doubt, guys, tell me in the comment box. I would love to acknowledge your queries.